Hello everyone. In this exercise of SolidWorks, we will create a pipe joint which is pagoda. Pagoda, actually this is specifically related to the buildings which are found in the Tibet, Cambodia, etc. This is the tire type building structure. Okay, let's start. File, new. Okay, this is the SolidWorks user interface, and this plain white I am selecting background, and unit system is the millimeter gram second. Okay, actually these joints basically are in the inches sizes, but I am making in the millimeter. I am taking the approximate sizes, but the thread size I am taking as per to the inches sizes. I am making in the millimeter sizes. Actually this pagoda, actually these are used for the hose connections in the pipe, sanitary works, etc. Okay, hydraulic industry, etc. I am taking front plane, sketch. Now first I am making the hexagon. This one. This I am taking vertical. Okay, and this dimension I am taking 24 mm only. Okay, this is 24 mm. Sketch is fully defined. Future extrude boss base, but I will take it as a mid plane. Okay, mid plane thickness I am taking 10 mm only. Okay, this one. This plane, this surface is sketch normal. I'm making a circle here. This one. This one, you will see the tangent relation you will see here. This one. If you don't see this, you will see where in my cursor there is tangent relation showing. Now it click. Near my cursor you will find a tangent relation. Okay? And now you click this one. If you check it, suppose you select this sketch and this sketch and this tangent, but already tangent relation. Okay, now future extrude cut, but this one 45 degree extrude cut, but flip side one. Okay, as in the bolt cases, this one. Now this I will mirror through mid plane. That's why I have made this future with the help of the mid plane. So future mirror and select from here front plane. This one. Actually this is the mid plane, and this one. This is our hexagon. Okay, now this side, this surface I am sketch normal. I am taking here, I will make a thread of 20 mm, pitch 1.5 mm, which is generally used in the male, which is the male thread. Okay, and selecting this one, and this dimension I am taking 20 mm only. This is 20 mm. Okay, this is 20 mm dimension. And future extrude boss base, but it's okay. Mid plane, no, blind from this surface. The sketch plane is such case, this surface. So I am taking this height is the 15 mm. I am taking only this one. This is 15 mm only. Merge weld, this one. I will later on I will make a threads here. Now this side surface sketch and normal. Here I am making circle of 15 dia. This one 15. I am taking 15 mm. 15. This is 15 mm. Okay, and future extrude boss base, this one. This height I am taking 25 mm. Okay, so total length will be our 25 plus 5 plus 15, approximately 50 mm. These are the sizes of the joints. Okay, now select this face, sketch, and normal, and this. Here I am making a circle. I will make a hole of 8 die only. This one, 8 die. 8 die is sufficient for us. Okay, and future extrude cut through all, blind through all. You can take it. This one through all. I have made this one. Now this I have made. Now I will make a pagoda type structure here. Okay, you will see this type of building you will find in Tibet, Cambodia, etc. That is the tire type structured. Okay, I am taking front plane, this one, this, no, I am taking right plane. This is the, actually this is the mid of this one. Right plane, normal, no, or further normal, this one. This is the, okay. Now I am making a sketch here. Select this line. Select this one, sketch. This one. Right plane, sketch. Okay, and normal, and this one, this. Now take a line. Okay, now from here, any point here, this one, this one. This dimension I am taking 5 mm only. Okay, and this dimension I am making a center line here. Center line is always very useful in order to draw a proper sketch. It actually acts as a guide. Center line. You, whenever you draw the sketches, you please draw the center line, and it acts as a guide. Okay, this one. Now I am taking this point, this line. When you under this line, you will see this dimension. When you will go beyond the construction line, it will show the dia. But this must be construction line. Dotted, this one. Okay, then it will come to show the dia. This one. I am taking it at a 12 mm only. Dia is 12 mm. Okay, 12, 15, 1.5. Okay, now sketch is fully defined here. Okay, now future revolve cut. Revolve cut this one 360 degree, and this one. Now go in the future linear pattern. Linear pattern I am making 4, but at a distance of 5 mm, just equal to this distance. So it will start from the end of this one. Pattern will start this one. Okay, 4 and line. This line, you can select the direction. This one. I am taking 4. Generally, three pagodas are here. And hit OK. So these are actually this type of building you will find in the Cambodia, the bus, etc. in this one, in this structured manner. Okay, that's why it is known as the pagoda. Okay, this one. So I have made, this is the 8 mm dia, and this is the 15. This is a 15 mm dia, and 12 mm with this dia. Okay, now I will make a thread from here. 20 mm thread, which is generally approximately 3 by 4, 1 by half inch thread, equal to 20 mm in the BSP size. Actually, this is the inch size is half inch BSP, approximately equal to 20 mm major dia. Okay, you please note that this. So for this, first I make a slight chamfer here. Chamfer. Whenever you draw a thread, the edges, this circular must be provided chamfer section, chamfer. Because whenever you see the thread is made, initial this edge is made chamfered. Okay, so I am taking chamfered of 1 mm only. This one 1 mm, select the edge, this one, and this one. This is chamfer. Now I will make a thread here. Thread feature. I have made a video on specially on the threads also. This one. Now thread location, start location. Thread will start from here, this edge. Okay. Now offset I will later on use up to selection. Suppose I take from this edge, this one. Okay. Metric die, and thread is M20 into 1.5 mm pitch. Okay. This is just a half inch BSP thread. Okay. And cut thread. Metric die and cut thread. This is the combination. Okay. Now use, because this thread is going inside, you will see. This is this one. So you take slightly offset of 2 mm, approximately equal to pitch. This one. But this is going inside. Flip the dimension here. Okay. In the same way, ends. Up to end condition offset, also take the option from the edge. You take 1.5 mm, for example. 1.5. It is generally taken as offset is equal to pitch, but it's moving inside. Flip the dimension here. Okay, this one. Now there is one option here: trim with start face and trim with end face. You check it. This one, and hit the right button. This is it. But you can edit it slightly. You can make end condition. You can make this offset 2 mm. This one. This one. Now it is okay. But you will see this this end of this thread is not proper. So select this face, sketch, convert entity, and extrude cut. Future extrude cut through all. This one. Now it is properly matched here. Okay. Start from here, and this one. This will make a thread here. Now you can provide the fillet and chamfer also. Okay, how you can provide it? Fillet, constant fillet, this one. Here you can provide the fillet 1 mm only 1 mm. This one, this surface, wherever necessary, wherever the sharp edge you provide the fillet. In the engineering industry, wherever you feel the sharp edges, you provide the ready fillets. Okay, this is very critical issue in the industry. Okay, sharp point must not be there. Okay, now fillet you can provide here also. Fillet, you can take it. Fillet you can take it full round fillet here. But work this one. First box, second box, this face. Third box, this face. And this is the full round fillet you will find here. Okay. Now fillet. This radius. This one, and this one. Also provide it here. You will see this one fillet. Also you can provide it here. This one. Fillet here. This one. Here you can provide inside also chamfer. You provide chamfer. You can provide it only 0.5. Only 0.5. Chamfer. Distance angle. This one. Distance 0.5. Angle. This one. And this one. This is chamfer. You can chamfer provided. Initial position. Okay. You may more provide it fillets, etc. And I hope you can provide the color. This one. Appearance always I provide from here. This one. Okay. How you use open this future tree manager. There is this scroll, clicking and select part, and here click appearance and select the required color, or you can select from here also. You can select appearance from here also. Okay, I am taking this one, and this is in this way you can make a pipe jet. Our purpose is to in this exercise is to understand how to make the threads. On the threads I have made specially videos, especially on the threads also, internal and external threads I have made. Okay, this tapered type structure I have and the pipe joints. Okay, I hope you would have enjoyed this. You please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much.